As a consequence of the recent India-Pakistan conflict, India's trade relations with Turkey and Azerbaijan are expected to come under strain due to them backing Pakistan and condemning India's recent strikes on terror camps in Pakistan. Islamabad has also used Turkish drones in the conflict. Following their support to Pakistan, calls for boycotting Turkish and Azerbaijani goods and tourism have surfaced across India, with online travel platforms like EaseMyTrip and Ixigo issuing advisories against visiting these nations. Indian traders have also started boycotting Turkish products such as apples and marble. India has maintained trade relations with Turkey and Azerbaijan for decades, but the recent conflict and India's retaliatory actions have strained these trade ties. The backing of Pakistan by Turkey and Azerbaijan has led to a negative perception of their products in India. This may further reduce trade volumes. Let us take a look at the trade ties between India and these two nations. Number 1. A bilateral trade agreement was signed in 1973, followed by a pact on setting up an India-Turkey Joint Commission on Economic and Technical Cooperation in 1983. These agreements aim to enhance economic collaboration between the two nations. India's exports to Turkey reached $5.2 billion from April to February 2024-25. India's exports to Azerbaijan were $86.07 million in the same period. India's imports from Turkey were $2.84 billion, while imports from Azerbaijan stood at $1.93 million. Overall, India enjoys a trade surplus with both nations. Number 2. Key Indian exports to Turkey include mineral fuels, electrical machinery, auto parts, organic chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and cotton. Major imports from Turkey are marbles, apples, and mineral oil. Similarly, India's exports to Azerbaijan include tobacco, tea, and chemicals. In fact, in 2023, India was the third largest destination for Azerbaijan's crude oil. Imports from Azerbaijan feature animal fodder and essential oils. Number 3. People-to-people ties. Cultural and educational exchanges exist between India and these nations. Approximately 3,000 Indians reside in Turkey, including around 200 students. In Azerbaijan, over 1,500 Indians live there. These communities encourage connections that could influence trade and diplomatic relations. Number 4. Tourism has been an aspect of India's relationship with Turkey and Azerbaijan. In 2023, around 3 lakh Indian tourists visited Turkey. Over 2 lakh Indians traveled to Azerbaijan. However, recent advisories against travel to these two nations could affect future tourism numbers. This goes on to show that both Turkey and Azerbaijan stand to lose much of the trade relations and tourism revenue that India offered. And all this because they chose to side with the terror financing and sponsoring nation like Pakistan. Only time will tell whether these nations will brave the revenue loss their support to Pakistan has brought to them, or whether, like Maldives, they will soon come making peace with India. This brings us to the end of our video. We hope you found it informative for your exam preparations. Please click the like button, share our videos with your friends, and subscribe to Exact IAS on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching this. I will see you in our next.